Can we add a picture after posting on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can add a picture after already posting on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, open up your Instagram. Head over to the post which you just posted and want to now add another picture in. Now as you can see, I have just posted a multiple picture 18 minutes ago. Now if I want to add another picture on this very post, there is no way that I can do it from here. So let's head over to the edit section. For that, tap on the three dots right here. And there you will see different options such as insights, archives, and finally there is an edit option. Tap on edit, and even after tapping on edit, you will not find an option where you can just add another picture here. What you can find is you can add or edit your caption, and after you add or edit your caption, you can tag people, you can edit or text, and add partnership labels, locations, and many more, but there is no option to add a picture. So I hope this answers your question that there is no way that you can add a picture after posting on Instagram. What you can do alternatively is that you can just delete this picture and create a new post with another photo that you want to add. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.